Okay, hi. Today we're going to make a healthy snack of strawberries dipped in chocolate skewers. And what you will need is strawberries, Belgian chocolate, skewers, optional sprinkles, a bowl, and a pan full of water. And you have to be able to put the bowl into the pan. Now we are going to put our chocolate in a bowl floating in simmering water. So, we've got the chocolate. You can break it into little squares if you want. Now, you are going to wait until your chocolate has melted. You can put a bit of extra chocolate in after it's melted to temper the chocolate. And then you're going to give it a little stir. And then we don't need that. So you're going to let it drip and put it over there, somewhere in your kitchen. I'll just grab a raspberry. Oh, no, it's a strawberry. And then dip it in the chocolate. Nice. These are so good. And let it drip. Yummy.
Ta en soppa.
Good. If you have any strawberries you have resisted to eat, you can put some sprinkles on them. Like that. And then you'll need more sprinkles, which I ran out of sprinkles. Now you should have something that looks a bit like this that is ready to go in the fridge. Once your strawberries have had a chance to cool down in the fridge, now it's time to assemble your kebabs. So first, you're going to get a kebab or stick and then pick it up. I'm going to stab it from the bottom so I get it. You should probably have like about 3 on each stick. That's what I'm doing. So you get one on and then I'll get another one on. There you go. And then I think we can fit 4 on this one. So I'm going to put 4 on this. Why don't I do this one? Okay. And I think I'm doing them in order that I want to eat them. So I'm doing that one. I'm doing this one. Because it's really hard for it to come up the top because you could break through the whole thing and ruin it, like I just did. So I'm going to put 4 on again. Loads of the sprinkles. Now you have finished your lovely strawberry dipped in chocolate snacks. It should look something like this. Now you can have them for a snack